Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute Dollar Tree planter. So I grabbed one of these boxes from Dollar Tree with the 4 different slots in it. They're in the Crafted Square section. I grabbed 4 clay pots. These come in packs of 2, so I ended up having to get 2 packs because they're the bigger ones. Some different greeneries, so the ferns and other types of greenery that they had at Dollar Tree. I got 4 different kinds. I grabbed some of the metal ribbon at Dollar Tree. Each one comes in a different design, and there was 4 different ones, so I grabbed all of those. Some brown wax and some white paint. You can use white acrylic paint or chalk paint, it doesn't matter. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my brown wax, and I'm going to stain my entire box. So I just paint it on, and then I'm just going to use a paper towel or a baby wipe to wipe off the excess. Once I have that all stained, I'm going to set that aside to dry. And then I'm going to take my white paint and I'm going to paint all of my clay pots. I'm not going to cover them completely. I'm just going to kind of dry brush the whole pot. So I'm just going to do them all very, very quickly till they're all done. And then I took some floral foam and stuffed it in each one of the pots. I just cut up the floral foam into pieces and just shoved them in the pot. Next, I'm going to take that metal ribbon and I'm going to put one design on each pot. So I have 4 designs and 4 pots. So I'm just going to take that metal ribbon, cut it to size, and then I'm going to wrap it around the top of each pot. And I wanted every pot to have its own different design. So I ended up using hot glue to do this, and some of it started to pop off. So I ended up doing a mixture of hot glue and E6000 to officially hold it as tight as I could possibly get it, because the hot glue doesn't hold it quite well. Once I had each pot done with their own different designs, I'm going to take some of the white paint and I'm just going to lightly dust over the metal ribbon just to kind of give it a less of a shiny look, and I kind of wanted it to flow with the pots. So I just do a quick run over really quick with the white paint over the top of each of the ribbons. Once I had them all painted again, I'm going to start cutting my greenery. I'm going to put a different greenery in each one of the pots. So I just kind of cut them up and slid them into the floral foam. You could also do real plants if you wanted to. You could do succulents. It would be really cute either way. I just really wanted a bunch of the Dollar Tree like ferns and the greenery that they sell in each pot, and I wanted them all to be a little bit different. Once I had all the pots filled, I'm going to take my little tray that we stained and I'm going to just start placing the pots in the tray. And how adorable is this? I love the greenery. I love the pots. I love the little metal ribbon. I love the little container that it's in. I just think this turned out absolutely adorable. It's really hard to get a picture of, so I took a video of it, and I also took a couple of still pictures, but this just turned out so cute. I love how each pot looks the same, but yet they're a little bit different. I think this just turned out so adorable. I hope this inspires you to make one or inspires you to make something like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, please don't forget to spread the chaos.